think the positive features of debate are teaches you how to improvise, because I used to be really bad at improvising, and through debate I've learned to be quick on my feet. And also it teaches you how to communicate a lot better and how to reason your ideas and how to put them in a way other people will understand them.
Probably the most important advice is to be confident in yourself, and of course to listen to what the others say in order to be able to respond to them.
I think the positive features of debate, it teaches us to improvise and talk in public, that I think there are abilities that we all should dominate.
The positive features of debate, in my opinion, are the ability to see different points of view and to possibly expand your own opinion on different ideas.
I believe the debate is important because it teaches us so much about not just public speaking but also teamwork, and to obviously to believe in yourself, to believe that you can do it, to be brave about it.